Today we're looking at the most basic single-strand stopper knots. A stopper knot is tied near the end of a rope to form a lump or knob. Its job is simple: to stop the rope from pulling through a hole, a block, a ring, or your hand. Stopper knots are also used for stopping the rope from unreeving, not for finishing the rope end permanently. A stopper knot is not the best way to stop a good rope from fraying. Whipping is often better for this purpose. You'll find stopper knots in cord, twine, sailing rigging, heaving lines, bell ropes, and many other places where the end of a line needs to stay put. Let's start with the simplest one. This is the overhand knot. Make a loop in the rope. Then pass the working end through the loop. Pull it tight. That's it. The overhand is compact, easy to tie, and uses very little rope. Now let's make it larger. This is the double overhand knot. Start like the overhand, but instead of passing the working end through once, wrap it around and pass it through a second time. Then dress the turns neatly and pull it tight. The result is a bigger, heavier stopper than the plain overhand. It is useful when you want a little more bulk, especially in small cord. You can add more turns to make a threefold or multiple overhand knot. But after 2 turns, the knot usually needs more careful shaping. Now we come to the most useful basic stopper knot. This is the figure 8 knot. Make a loop. Take the working end around the standing part. Then bring it back through the original loop. When dressed correctly, the rope forms a clear figure 8 shape. This knot is larger than the overhand, stronger, and much easier to untie after loading. It is also less likely to jam hard into the rope fibers. Use it when you want a simple terminal knot that is secure, visible, and still reasonably easy to remove later. Next is a knot you may accidentally create while trying to tie the next one. It sits between the figure 8 and the Stevedore knot. Start from the figure 8 idea, but give the loop one extra half twist before passing the working end through. This creates an intermediate stopper. It works as a larger knot, but it is not especially common. If you see it, it is often because someone meant to tie a Stevedore knot and stopped one twist too soon. So now let's tie the Stevedore knot. Think of the Stevedore knot as a practical, bulky stopper when the figure 8 is not large enough. It is basically a bulkier development of the figure 8. Make the starting loop. Twist the bight further than you would for the figure 8. Then pass the working end through and dress the knot carefully. The result is a larger stopper, useful where the rope might otherwise pull through a bigger opening. So, to summarize, the overhand knot is the smallest and simplest, but it jams and can significantly weaken the rope. The double overhand gives you more bulk, especially in small cord. The figure 8 is the better general-purpose stopper for rope. The Stevedore knot is a bulkier stopper for larger openings. For most practical rope work, the figure 8 is usually the one worth learning first.